And here is a record that we could do without. Australians have overtaken Americans as the world's biggest credit card addicts. We owe more than $45 billion on credit cards. That's more than $3,000 per card holder. But there is a way to wipe away that debt. David Richardson reports on zero interest transfers and how you can use them to get off the credit merry-go-round.
MasterCard, $8,000. MasterCard, $3,000. Visa, $1,500. My credit card situation at the moment is utterly distressful. Personal loan, $13,000. I feel like I'm drowning and I just can't get up for air.
They offered her easy money. She just took it. Now Megan's paying the price.
All up, I owe roughly about $26,000.
The 25-year-old owes money on 3 credit cards and a personal loan and has no hope of paying any of them. The interest burning through every dollar she earns, the repayments crippling.
$200 a fortnight, $300 a fortnight, $100 a fortnight. Sometimes we don't even have money to buy food because we struggle that much that we are paying these credit cards and the interest rates.
And Megan's not alone. We owe more than $45 billion on credit cards, an average debt of $3,150 for every cardholder in the country. These little bits of plastic are financial killers, but they can be beaten.
Listen, if you've got $5,000 in a 19% account, over 1 year you'll probably be paying in excess of $1,000 in interest. Move that to a 0% balance transfer and you'll obviously pay no interest, so you're talking at least $1,000 worth of savings.
Guy Fisher runs Money Saving Master, an online guide to the cheapest credit cards around. The secret is finding the lowest interest rate and switching. It's called a 0% balance transfer, but there is a massive catch.
Whatever you do, do not use the card for any purchases or cash advances.
While the 0% interest applies to old purchases, make a new one and you pay a fortune.
For God's sake, don't make any new purchases on it.
Absolutely.
That's a trap for young players, Guy.
Well, it is, but my key tip there is as soon as you've made that balance transfer, take that credit card and either rip it up or put it in a drawer where you're not going to touch it. If you need to use a credit card for purchases, get another credit card, a low-rate credit card, and just use that for purchases.
The whole idea is to switch to a zero interest rate and pay it out, not add to the debt. If you can do that, you can wipe away credit card pain. Money Saving Master has identified 5 zero-interest cards for balance transfers, the cheapest in the market. Top of the list, the Coles MasterCard, zero interest and no initial fees. NAB low-rate Visa card and the new Jetstar credit card charge $49 a year, while the ANZ low-rate MasterCard has a $58 fee and its Balance Visa card a $79 fee. While these are cheap in our market, overseas things are even cheaper.
In the UK, for example, if you're getting a transaction account, no bank will charge you an annual fee. If you're getting a credit card, it's quite rare that they'll charge you an annual fee unless they have specific benefits with it.
Totally fee-free?
Fee-free banking for credit cards, yes.
You've got to stop people being willing to take on debt.
Economics professor Steve Keen wants banks held accountable for throwing credit around, especially to those who simply can't afford it.
That's what we have to do, because at the moment, if you take out a loan and it all goes belly up, you're the one who carries the risk. When in reality, it's the banks that know what the risk should be.
And that's what's happened to Megan.
I've had instances where I've tried for the personal loans, I've tried for the $0 balance transfers and they've declined me, but then they'll come back and offer me more money on my credit cards.
For others, credit card debt can be wiped away.
But the truth is there's so many much better deals out there. So really it just takes a bit of time and effort to find the best deal, then transfer to a better rate and you can save yourself thousands of dollars.
That's David Richardson on how to clear that debt, and you'll find more information on those cards on our website. Here's what's coming up on Today Tonight.